All right, so today we'll be doing a very simple TGIF flyer design, and this is the pattern that we're going to be using. I'll just see how I can draw idea from the two. I got this from Pinterest from these two, and I would just try ahead to making something beautiful. So, like I said, it's going to be a quick one. Let's the image size. To get this image size, let's bring in one of these flyers design and make it the background. So, which are we going to go? So the image size for this is going to be 1024 width, then height 1280. So yes, but let's change the color. The color will be white, and I have the other background I think we'll be using. So these are the two background I'm thinking of using. I think these two is okay. Take it to the back. Then let's bring the other one. Then we can try out which one we're going to use at the end. But the two of them look okay for me. So let's see which one we'll be using. Let me just place it here first now. Take it to the back. But you can see this one is green. This one is green, but what we have as our own is purple. So that is the idea. Once you get an idea for someone's work, you can still choose to tweak one or two things. So let's see. Yes, this is the main image that we'll be using. Like I said, this one is going to be a very very quick one, and let's bring this up here. Bring this one up too. So and yes, you have it that way. We can use this, let's see, a shadow effect. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. The only thing now is I want to reduce the opacity of the blackness. She's not too shouty and I still want to reduce it. Like this, not too much. Now we can go straight ahead to lock our image. Lock it. So now, do you think we should make it the text? Okay, let's try it. Let's just try TGIF. And I'm thinking of using it as okay. I didn't lock our background. I'm thinking of making it white, but I just wanted this one to be a quick one. We can see if we can try our hands on this. So the font that I'll be using for this one is the MTN font. So yes, this we have this like this, but I don't want it to get cut. Although if it gets cut, you can use padding, but I prefer my work like this. So now we have it like this, but we want it to have that feel of that other one there. So what do we do? Go back to style and make it italicized like this. So this is the way you have your TGIF curved that way. And sometimes once you're working, your this thing can like readjust. So just don't get angry, just still work on it. That's one of the challenges we face. Sometimes once you're working, your tool can just decide to frustrate you. I'll just make this a plain white. Or if you want to add texture, it's possible. Go back to texture. Let me see if I have anything that will be nice texture for that has kind of a white system background that we can use as a white texture. If not, we'll just use okay, I'm thinking of this. Let me see. Okay. not too much. And you have this to be like this. Centralize this. Then take it behind the lady. Then you want to take it up. Then let's copy what the other designer centralized did. Let's still copy this. Still take it behind the lady. Hold it. Oh, let's bring that onto the front. So this other one, what we're gonna do here is, let's see if we can reduce the opacity, just like the other she did. Let's reduce it. So let's just reduce to 50%, like the other one did. I'm still thinking we should increase this. Should we? Let me see. Okay, it's big enough. I just leave it. Let's leave it this way. Then we'll bring our this thing to the front. So the next one to the front. So what do I want to copy from this one? I like the way those two shape that they use as red and they use orange. So let's go over to our shape. And we'll have something like this. Have something like this. Copy it. And you know what? Then centralize this also. Then what we'll do now is, because we want everything to be uniform. Oh, I'm not yet getting what I want. Okay, let's try this one out. Let's match it. Alright, so this is a very simple TGI flyer design. I decided to replicate and draw idea from this too. So what to do is you erase color, want the red one out. Want the red one out. So let's see if this will be nice for a walk. Let's pick this color from the other design there. Let's pick it. If it works out, good and fine. If you want to change it, then copy it. Place it like this. I think it's okay. So what we'll do is go over, use your eraser. Just erase those parts you don't need out. That will not show. Let's use it, okay. Yes, it's okay. Then this color, pick it from the original design. Pick it. Then this one, make it to the front. Yes, we are making progress. So what is the other thing we need to do now is I want to use this one concept, right? Which one? Okay, let's just use social media handle. Bring it to the front. The social media handle, this one use and put, what is the name? I'm trying to get the name. Berry Initiative. So let's just copy this concept text. And because we are using the MTN font, I will just say we use everything as the MTN font. I hope I get the name right. Berry Initiative. Berry Initiative. Initiative. Berry Initiative. Color. White. The color to be white. Then go over to font. We'll be using them. Okay. We already changed that, right? Yes, 10 font. So let's just reduce this. No. And let's talk about using your grid line. So if you want your work to be always uniform, I'll keep saying it for 1 million. For the 1 million time, design doesn't have rigid rules. Design have principles. So as a designer, the more you design, the more you create your own pattern and all that. So like me, I already have how I like my concept to come out in whilst designing. So you could choose to have your own. Just make sure it helps you. So usually for this one, there's supposed to be a logo. The Berry Initiative is supposed to have a logo. But I won't make a logo because that is not the aim of this tutorial. So copy this and we'll put social media handles. I already talk about let's say Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I already talk about these fonts. We call it social cycle font. You can search for it and go to dafont.com. You can download it. So we have this like this. Social cycle. Let's just assume. I want to increase the size. So we have it to be like this. We've done basically the same thing. And if I still want to copy a concept of what this person did, I bring this onto the front. And say thank God it's Friday. You can do this shape. I'm trying to even draw the idea from the tool now. So you can see that is the beauty in creative. So there's a way I do my own things. And this, then align it like this. Copy it. Still copy it, then go to edit. There's something I usually do when design. Sometimes, not all the time. I just try to be a little bit creative. So I will do this like this. Now the color for this, change the color to this. I will just rotate it a little bit. When I want to design, I'm fond of doing it sometimes. Or rotate. Just rotate it a little bit. And you can place it there. Then copy this. And write, thank God it's Friday, right? I think it's okay to place it there. Yes, you can do thank God it's Friday. And if you want, do it like this, thank God it's Friday. And if you still want for some aesthetics, then you can even decide to the font, just make all of them regular. Because if what you've added, just do this. Just a simple flyer design, no much paparazzi. Then if you still want to do another thing, I've done virtually everything I want to do. And still increase the size. If you still feel that you still want to add something, not necessary, you can come over here and add a quote. Go over here, motivation, whatever, get action. So you can choose to do this. Just put in it. You want and have something this way like this. No. No, it's kind of too small. Let's increase it. Then let's break it into 3 lines. Let's align it to the left. I've done the major thing I want to do. Then you can see the size. So you have that, and yes, that's that. We've done this. It's just a simple social media flyer design. Any other thing you want to change, you can change, and we'll go straight ahead and delete this. Delete this. And if you still want this image, if you still want the shadow to still move based on the Y or X, you can adjust it. Whichever one works fine by you. If you want to take it to the left, if you want to take it to the right, just do whichever one you feel is gonna make your work beautiful. It mustn't be what I did. I just decided to do this in the flyer design, and so yes, we've replicated this. Another thing you want to do, you can do. We've done the major thing. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in another tutorial tomorrow. Let me know what's the thing you learned about this, and how you can be able to make design in a very relatively short time. So yes, without come to the end of this tutorial. And one more thing before we go, you can still decide to check out this one. You can see how it still looks very, very beautiful. So that's that. You save and call it a day. Thank you.